Morning, boys and girls. Today's science experiment, we're going to make a cloud in a jar. You're going to need a jar, which I tried the experiment first so my jar is a little wet inside. Just a glass mason jar is fine. In the lid, turn it upside down and put some ice cubes in it. You'll need some hairspray. And in the microwave right now I have water getting very, very hot. We're using a cup of water and we put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. It brought it about to a boil. When clouds form in the air, water vapor, little teeny tiny invisible drops of water cling to particles in the air. Dust, dirt, whatever they can find to just cling to. In our experiment, we're simulating that with the hairspray. That'll be the particles that our dust, our water vapor clings to. Now our hot water is going to go in our jar, and the water vapor, you can't really see it right now, but it is steaming. Those little steamy drops of water are rising up, and we'll put the lid on top like this, and they'll hit that cold, and it'll condense onto the hairspray and make a cloud inside the jar. So my daughter Gillian is helping. Don't pour the whole cup in this time. Just maybe right. Well, that is a cup. Okay, it steams up the jar a little bit, but we'll give it a second to unsteam so we can see the cloud form. Alright, go ahead and spray in the hairspray. Put that over top real fast. And you see the cloud forming inside. It's a pretty cool experiment. When you take the lid off, the cloud will rise up out of the jar. And the water vapor from the hot water that was rising up condenses when it hits this cold metal and clings to the particles of hairspray and forms a cloud. Now, clouds outside, when they get too big, too full, that's when it rains. So we've been at that point for several days, rain. So let's take the lid off. You see the cloud rising up out of the mason jar. It smells like hairspray. So very simple little science experiment. Have your mom or dad or somebody help you warm up the water because it is very, very hot. And if you touch the glass measuring cup, it might burn you. It's pretty hot. So give it a try at home. See how it works. See if you can find something else you can use besides hairspray. Hairspray was just the easiest thing for me to grab. So, cloud in a jar.